If your GMC Terrain infotainment screen is ignoring your iPhone, we can get that connection back in about 2 minutes. Believe it or not, 85% of CarPlay issues are simply due to a worn-out or non-certified charging cable. Before you buy anything, let's try the sequence to reset the connection properly. Follow these 4 steps to clear the software cache and force a fresh handshake between the car and your phone. Check your iPhone settings too, as Siri must be enabled and screen time restrictions can often block the app. Take a moment to clean your phone's port, as pocket lint often prevents the cable from seating fully. Depending on your Terrain's year, you may be fighting a physical port issue or a wireless signal conflict. The data shows that a fresh cable and a simple system reset solve the vast majority of these complaints. If it still won't respond, try a different iPhone to see if the problem lies with the car's HMI module. Keep a high-quality cable and a cleaning tool in your glove box to prevent future disconnects. Remember that even the best software can't overcome a cheap $5 charging cable. Check your settings and swap that cable. You'll be back on the road with your maps and music in no time.